Hello and welcome to this week's highlights. If you're new to the channel and like my content, please consider liking and subscribing. The highlights video you're about to watch is from my Twitch stream. You can catch me live over on twitch.tv/LucaGoldwolf. I hope to see you there. Where's Mirabelle?
She didn't make it.
She didn't make it!
It was clear we were going to have to fall back. She stayed behind and made sure the rest of us were all right. I'll be right behind you.
I'll be right behind you. Okay, righto. The clearly more experienced wizard is gonna hang back while I walk in. Ferelda doesn't give a shit. There we go. Use the staff of Magnus. Turn to a college mentality.
The power to unmake the world at my fingertips. And you think you can do anything about it?
What are you doing, Tolfdir? This guy's, he's already killed Tolfdir and Lydia. And Kana has been defeated. Not by me, just by the magic anomalies. Fuck, that was wild.
I knew you had it. I dare say the city itself.
I am just
No
that
one
good.
more deserves.
Well, this is assuredly interesting. These textures are very well loaded. Ah, Sotro! We've just got an upgrade to the fit. Bit of a fit check.
There's a nip in the air. Be good for my crops. Never is.
Bro, you can't just be talking about nips like that. Can you zoom in on the face? Scary, not the right word. Fierce is the right word. Strong, independent cat girl who need no magic or potions. I go out here like blah 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 blah. Far and gar? More like far and blah. Probably want that. Oh, that was expensive. I didn't look at the price. I just thought it would be not expensive. Oh, this is the other little hack you can apparently do. If I cast these at the same time, I need a higher level healing spell. But I can just infinitely level my restoration by using a combination of equilibrium and a healing spell. Little fun fact for you. Oh no, Lydia's fallen. Not being detected. Somewhere. Oh my gosh. I'm never ready for that. Oh yeah, bit of a chess situation. Meridia's Beacon! Oh no. Do I pick it up? It's kind of like, Meridia's Beacon is kind of like that game that you play with like Smirnoff Ices, where you like ice someone, and you just have to put a Smirnoff Ice somewhere, and if they touch the Smirnoff Ice, they then have to skull the Smirnoff Ice.
This is an ode to You look like someone who can hold their liquor.
Here we go.
One down, my friend. One down. Another one for me.
This is arguably the best quest. It would be remiss of me to not
And how
do it.
about you?
A second drink.
Says you. I think I've hit my limit on these things. Tell you what, one more and you win the contest.
One more? No problem.
Wow, you've really done it. The staff is yours.
That's great! A law-abiding citizen. Roach. Stupid fucking dog. Collapsing in a multiverse like that. Cat on a horse, cat on a horse. It's a motherfucking cat on a horse. I don't know if horses have health, but I like to think I'm a better person for healing the horse. Oh, that was good. Get fucked. Oh, incredible. I feel weird about reading this name out. Welcome, Super Nut Slapper. Well, that went way better than I thought it would go. Look at that gold! I agree, Glenn. Come on, boss.
I'm not a scratch on.
Here's your goat, buddy. Don't worry.
I still can't figure out why you stole.
Uncle Luca got you all square.
And after you told me that sweet story of how you met in Witch Beast Grove, I can see why he left you.
Say what now? Oh my gosh! I am not giving this person 2,000 gold. Oh shit! It's dragon killing time. Bam! Isolde is pretty ugly. Actually, alright. Alright, Northern Scar. More of a reggae kind of person. So I've got a snack. And there's something I've noticed about the health food industry. They're obsessed with balls.
Protein balls? Like those?
It's like always these kind of foods, right?
Wow, a straw. Fun. So convenient. Don't have to pick anything up. I don't have to take the top off or the lid off or anything. And it's working.
You just like lean over, just like
yeah.
trying to get like the straw.
I'm never bringing my drink bowl to my mouth anymore. No, I'm not picking shit up. No way.
I ain't no peasant.
I really just needed something to encourage you to go out into the world and spread merriment. You're going places. Maybe
I've been going places all fucking day thanks to you. I will do, hold on. What a view though. You get like a chair, you get some complimentary boiled cream treat. Wait, no, I'm stealing that. Why is that not complimentary with the room? Holy crap. Can I just like break this guy back? Resisted
Oh
arrest.
shit. You're literally being roasted.
Saved it. I have the.
It looked like
the
it was
camera.
unhinging its mouth when it was breathing fire. On the video.
It's just getting ready to swallow Lydia whole.
Yeah.
Ah.
Sasha and Cleo.
Name's Cleopatra. Long for Cleo. Surf's Up was a wild ride of a movie.
I'm more a happy feet kind of girl.
When it comes to penguin movies.
Penguin movies. Animated penguin movies, yeah.
Animated penguin movies from the early 2000s. Hello.
Careful with that fire. Though, believe it or not, there are rumors of a weapon that even An elder Gleam herself would lift her roots forward, more out of fear than respect. The rumors are true. I beg of you, don't harm the tree. Nothing good can come of it.
Damn.
It's kind of like game of knifey
You don't know
spoony.
what you're dealing with. There will be consequences.
You call that a knife?
Leave this.
Pulls out
You're
Nettlebane.
not welcome here.
This is a knife. If you don't have homemade Elder Gleam, store bought is fine. Yes, this happens. There's one over there.
They all look like a group.
Oh no! I thought it was a Spriggan, but it was just a lady.
You killed her?
Still have to fight the Spriggan mother.
Spriggan mummy?
Spriggan mummy. Is Sond the Spriggan mummy?
I'll have a quick Google. I typed Spriggan mummy. Mother. Oh, she's kind of a baddie. Okay.
Bad.
Can be found in Moss Mother Cabin.
Okay, must be a different quest then.
Shouldn't leave things around to trip over.
The beggar says, referring to the cultist that has still not been cleaned up.
He's just gone on the water slide.
Look, he's going for a walk.
Do you have the elder green sack?
I do.
Wonderful. I use it to repair the tree.
Oh, I got a better place to dump the body. Man, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this body out of here though. Yeah, sure, this is a quest. Hey, what are you doing? Nothing? This is my friend, the cultist. He's having a great time. As a cultist. Oh, sure am. I'm having a wonderful time. I can talk. I love to talk. I'm the talkingest damn thing you ever saw. This gag was not worth it. Oh, that's gross. What are these?
They look like eyeballs.
They do. Swamp boba.
Oh!
That's pretty cursed. And here
Every time
we
you say
are.
the claw, I just hear it echo in my head. The claw.
Good. I will say the claw more often.
The claw. Lydia's just taking it.
Missed. Bam! Get fucked. Looks at her. It's the claw!
The claw.
I didn't know why I picked up that. And at last, Sigdis. Sigdis nuts. Okay, there's multiple levers that I can activate. Okay. I don't know if that was a puzzle.
I think it may. Oh,
Well, that was ominous as fuck. How is Lydia over there? Oh, so that's what that feels like. Huh?
Is that one of the old ruins?
What are you on about, Lydia?
I feel like Lydia's just learning to be human. Like, she's maxed out her skill in terms of, like, combat, but then everything else, she's still kind of figuring it out.
She's read a book on how to, like, have a conversation.
Speechcraft 1.
Like, -4 speechcraft. Splishy, splashy, splishy. I am a little fishy. Oh my god! Just keep popping up, don't they? Oh, he's in the top bunk! Words and philosophy. Book title: Words and Philosophy. 2-hand increased. I just have to do this. I ate a pearl. Mmm, crunchy. We'll sell everything and then we'll go and reforge the thing. Oh, this Whiterun looks gorgeous in this weather.
Here, I'd like you to have this as a token of my friendship.
What? It's kind of weird to think that I'm the Archmage of Winterhold.
You were a bit underqualified.
I feel like it.
How'd you get the job? They were just like, oh, you do magic. Do
LinkedIn.
it, please.
LinkedIn Premium helped me secure the role. Don't run over to the dragon. Wow, okay. If this works, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. I don't have to fight all these schmucks, do I? Bam! That was a satisfying kill shot. I don't think I killed him. I did kill him. Did I kill him? Does he not get full health? What? Yes, Lydia! Oh! Lydia with the haymaker. Oh, no. Okay, he's just reforged the amulet. Take the Golda amulet.
Woo!
Holy crap. Hey there, cutie. Thanks for watching the video this far. Again, if you like the content, please make sure you like and subscribe. Also, make sure you check out my live streams over on twitch.tv/LucaGoldwolf. Hopefully I see you in the next one.